Hello everyone, let's learn how to create and restore a backup file in SQL Server. So let's start. Select the database, right click and then click on task. Click on export data to your application and a pop-up menu will appear. From the pop-up menu click on next and then browse for the location where we want to store the backup database. Here we have to also provide the name of the backup database server. We have provided the name as demo and then click on save. So this is the local location where database is going to be backup after we complete the procedure. Click on next and then click on finish. The backup file is created with an extension .backpack. It will contain the data as well as the database schema. Backup file is created. Now let's have a look what is backpack file. Let's move forward to the second step, that is restoring the database. Right click on database and then click on import database server. Pop-up will appear, click on next. Choose the location. We have stored the database in the local location. You can even choose the Azure database if you are taking the backup from the Azure database, and then click on next. Provide the name as mentioned or as required, then click on next and then click on finish. It will create all the database data present in the backpack file, and the database schema present in it will restore in the SQL server. In this way we can restore our database. So we have learned creating and restoring the database into the SQL server. Hope you like the video. If you find this informative, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon.